Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, front-wheel drive, cruise control, compass, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, cargo net, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.